Hello everyone, this is M. Shivashankar, lecturer in Computer Science, Government College, Autonomous, Anantapuramu. Today I want to present a video lecture on a special operator called instance of operator in Java. It is helpful for the students who are in UG second year, first semester, that is third semester. Java instance of is a special operator, just remember it. It is used to test whether an object is an instance of specified type. Here type can be a class or subclass or an interface. So type can be a class or subclass or interface. The instance of operator in Java is also known as type comparison operator because it compares two instances with type. And one more point we need to remember is the return value of this instance operator is of Boolean type. Boolean allows only two values, either true or false. So the return value is Boolean value, true or false. Let us see this instance of operator with three examples. The first example, it is very simple example. Here we had a class called simple1. In the simple1 class we had main method. In the main method we created an object for simple1 class. Simple1 space s is equal to new simple1. So here s is an object of the class simple1. Now in the next line we are printing something. System.out.println of s space instance of simple1 class. S is an object of simple1 class. Instance of is an operator. Simple1 is again a class. So here observe in the red color s space instance of simple1. This line checks whether s is an object of simple1 class or not. Simple1 is a class. And this operator is also helpful for subclasses and also interfaces. Now in this line s space instance of simple1, and we need to remember that instance of operator returns a Boolean value, either true or false. So here we can observe that s is an object of simple1 class. So the output is true because s is an instance of simple1 class. This is the first simple example for instance of operator. Next we will see another example in the concept of inheritance. Another example of instance of operator. Here we had a class called animal. We had another class called dog1 which extends animal class. Class dog1 extends animal class. Next in the main method we created an object for the dog1 class. Dog1 space d is equal to new dog1. D is an object of dog1 class. In turn, dog1 class is a subclass of animal class. We need to remember this point. So D is an object of dog1 class and dog1 is a subclass of animal class. Now we are printing D space instance of animal. D is not directly an object of animal class, but D is an object of dog1 class. Dog1 class is again the subclass of animal class. So this again returns true. As we know, instance of operator returns either true or false, that is Boolean value. So here in the concept of inheritance also, instance of operator is useful. D space instance of animal. D is not directly an instance of animal class, but D is an instance of dog1 class. Dog1 class is a subclass of animal class. So this returns true. We will see another example. Now instance of operator in Java with a variable that have null value. See this. Class dog2 we have. In that main method we have dog2 space d is equal to null. Here d is an object reference variable which is made as null, null. Now we are printing d instance of dog2. So we did not create it here for dog2. The object is not created. The object reference variable d is made to null. So we can say that d is not an object of dog2 class. So when we are printing in the red color, d space instance of dog2, it returns false because d is made to null. So whenever some object reference variable is made to null, it doesn't become the instance of a particular class. So these are the uses of instance of operator. It can be used for type checking of a class or subclass or interface. So we seen this operator with 3 examples. Thank you.